What's up guys, thank you for watching JGTechBlog, and it looks like Synaptics beat Qualcomm in manufacturing the fingerprint sensor behind the OLED screen on an actual working phone. I was able to get hands on the demo and interviewed them at their booth at CES. Here's what they had to say.
So this is Synaptics FS9500. So it is we call the Clear ID in-display solutions. The optical sensor is the orange color. So the chip is here. So we eliminate the whole module underneath of the OLED display. Yeah, you can see this demo. There's no any physical button, and not on the side, not on the front, and also there's no fingerprint button on the back. Yeah, it's just on the display. If I turn on the display, no any button. I don't need to cut the hole here, right? Yeah, so if we want to unlock very easily, so quick, you see?
Amazing.
Yeah, so quick.
Or you think you guys will have maybe clients like Apple or Samsung?
We sampling to them.
You are sampling to them, I can see. Okay.
Yes. So Vivo is first customers. Their phone is going to launch in the early 2018.
So I'm gonna add my fingerprint and test this out. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it there and place your finger again. Register. Okay.
Yeah, done. So you can lock the buttons.
So now the phone is locked, and again, as you can see, there is no button here. This is straight on the screen itself, and we're not cheating. There's nothing in the back as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock the phone with my fingerprint that has been now registered to the phone. That's how easy it was. So there it is, and we're in the phone. That's how simple. Let me do it one more time close up so you guys can see that. That was some cool effects also on that you will see. So just put my fingerprint. Bam, we're in the phone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.